Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to install the post-process preset in Darktable and use it. Also, the download link is in the description. Please check that out. So let's get started. First, we need to unzip the downloaded file. Then let's see what's inside the extracted folder. As you can see, there are two files with the extension dstyle. Now we have to open Darktable. Here we go. On your right side, when you scroll down, there is a section called Styles. There is an import button, click on it. A new window will open. After that, go to the folder where you extracted postprocess.zip file. Select both of them. Click on Open. Wait for a while. As you can see, our presets are loaded. Some people might say it is not a preset, it is a style. Yeah, it's true in Darktable, you don't call it a preset. You call it styles, but I am calling it preset for newcomers. Now we have successfully installed our preset. Let's check how it performs. For that, we need to import some photos into the Darktable. On your left side, there is a section called Import. And there is a button called Add to Library. Use that button for importing photos into Darktable. Now we have imported our photos. Let's double click on any of these photos. Now we have loaded our photo. On the bottom side, there is an option for using presets. Clicking on that option, and will bring you our recently installed presets. You can use any of them. If you want a more saturated look, use post-process. Otherwise use post-process too. When applying presets, it might take a while. So don't be afraid, as we can see how our preset changed the look of the photo. Let's try it with other photos. Okay, that's it. Now let's see how to export our result. On left side, when you scroll down, there is an option called Export. Here you can select the output location, file format, quality, and you can set resolution of your final image as well. By clicking on Export, Darktable will export your photo to the output location you set before. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have doubts, please let me know in comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel.